In this video, I'll show you how to check your recent Google sign-ins and see which devices you're currently signed into. First, open an internet browser and go to the Google website. Once you're logged into your account, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. On the left-hand side, click on Security, then scroll down to Recent Security Activity. Click Review Security Activity, and here you'll see all the recent sign-in attempts on your Google account. You can also check which devices you're currently signed into. To do that, go back to the previous window and scroll down to the Your Devices section. Click on Manage All Devices, and you'll see a list of all the devices connected to your account. If you notice a device you don't recognize and want to sign out, simply click on that device and press the Sign Out button.